In the spirit of going along with our theme of clarification of expectations and just clarification on a variety of things, I thought I'd clarify our committees that we have in place at TMS. I'm really pleased with the work that I've seen done here in the building and across the campus regarding the committees. A lot of our committees have taken a lot of projects on that have made a huge impact on our campus, and I'm not going to start to mention specific ones because I will leave somebody out and I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings. But there have been some great things done by our committees already this year, and it's wonderful to see people across the building, regardless of their role, stepping up and serving as leaders. It's awesome to see people stepping up regardless of their role and working together to accomplish something to make our campus better. That's what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to be all of us working together to make this campus and this organization even better than it already is. And so it's heartwarming and it's awesome to see the great ideas people have come up with and the great work people have done. Some clarifications I want to provide because I hear things that when you have over 100 different people trying to understand and process something that's relatively new, then it becomes subject to misinterpretation. And so I want to make sure that we're clear on the committees and their purpose and how we interact with them. One is the purpose of the committees is to distribute leadership. We want everybody in the building to have an opportunity to take the lead on something special in the building. We want everybody in the building to have an opportunity to have a voice and to contribute to something major that impacts the campus. Now, you do this every day in your normal roles. That's why you're hired here. That's why Keller ISD pays you to do the things that you do, because you do make a difference. But what are the things beyond our normal job description that we can do outside of that to help make our campus a better place? And so that's the challenge that's in front of us with the committees. So the clarification I want to make is, for example, I'll take Campus Beautification Committee as an example. Now, this group has already done some awesome things in the building. If you've been in our office bathrooms, you've seen some really pretty decorations there. And there are some other things that our Campus Beautification building has done around the campus. But I don't want you to think that the sole job of, the sole responsibility for beautifying the campus rests with the Campus Beautification Committee. That's not correct. If anybody wants to go around and do something cool to beautify the campus, you can still do that. You're not stepping on the toes of that committee if you do that. We have a committee that is working on things with the houses. That doesn't mean that you can't come up with an idea that will better the house system and bring that to anybody, or just initiate it yourself and do it. It's not stepping on the toes of the committee if you do that. What else? There's a service committee. So the service committee is working on certain service projects to help make the campus a better place and to help demonstrate service for our kids. That doesn't mean that if you're not on the service committee, you can't do something to help initiate a service project on the campus. I'll give you one more example. We have a School Spirit and Traditions Committee. They have several projects in the work to bring up school spirit at Timberview. That doesn't mean that if you're not on the School Spirit Committee, you can't do something to engage people and bring up better school spirit. Of course you can. It simply means that we have a committee that's working on a project or even several projects. Some of our committees are tackling several things to help make the campus a better place. So the sole responsibility for that thing does not necessarily rest with the committee. We all still participate. We all still add in. Nobody's stepping on anybody's toes. We're just trying to all chip in and do some things that make Timberview even more awesome than it already is.